You asked, I delivered. But with a twist, plus a firm hold trick. Take out your front tresses and secure them with a pin. Middle part your hair as neatly as possible. Clip one section with a claw clip to avoid mixing. For the firm hold trick, use thin rubber bands first. Loop them around 3 times. Adjust based on your hair volume. Grab your scrunchie and wrap it around the ponytail thrice or as per your hair volume. The links for the scrunchies will be mentioned in the description. Review short video of these scrunchies is already posted on my channel. Repeat the same on the other side. Make sure both ponytails are equal. Use your hand to feel and adjust. One of my scrunchies looked fluffier because I tied the other one tighter, so keep balance in mind. I also tried to adjust the scrunchies afterwards to make them look even, but it didn't work. Here comes the twist. Add braids to each ponytail. Gently tuck the braids to make them fuller and more visible. I have layers, so mine got a bit messy, but that's okay. Use serum, wax, or oil to tame flyaways and keep the look sleek. Last but not the least, curl the tresses for that extra glam. And just like that, you're ready to slay. Want more easy and aesthetic hairstyles? Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. New looks drop weekly.